Alright. Welcome back, boys and girls, to Billy WS. Sweet. So for today, we're going to a local car show. So the local high school is having an event, and they asked me if I can bring something nice. So yeah, not much nicer stuff out there than 20B 350Z, and they are 100. So yeah, join us today for a small car show in my local town, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it a lot, and let's hit it. Alright, there we have it. So yeah, wasn't the world's greatest show or biggest show, but yeah, just trying to help out the local community and the school, and I think it's a school project. Oh, whatever, just the town itself, just trying to help out where we can. Look at that thing, man. Woo-wee. Sweet. Let's go to the shop and drop these off. Alright guys, so there we have it.
Alright.
Back at the shop, and yeah, wasn't a massive show, and there were barely any cars, but all for a good cause, trying to help out the local community and yeah, see what we can contribute to the day. Alright, so yeah, now for the not so lacquer job, to get all the cars back in the shop, and yeah, we'll call it a day. So yeah, let's get them back in. It's bloody hot. Alright guys, that concludes the day. Nothing really happened, nothing much to see really. But yeah, nice day with my dad and my nephew. And yeah, at least some folks saw something they don't see every day, like this 350Z 20B turbo. It's quite cool, and the R100. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Comment and subscribe if you want to, I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, next video will definitely be a Duckums video, Paddy Driver RX-7 video, so stay tuned. Thank you for your support, we do appreciate it. See you next time.